Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey. Join us as we guide you through a comprehensive, step-by-step manual on leveraging affiliate marketing to generate income, utilizing entirely free traffic from Pinterest. But there's more to it. We'll elevate this process using potent, complementary AI tools to simplify everything. Stick with us until the end. The secrets we're unveiling could potentially line your pockets with thousands of dollars effortlessly. Let's jump right in. Ready for some incredible insider information? Pinterest, a social media giant, amasses over 1 billion visits each month. What's astonishing is that a whopping 85% of those visitors convert into customers, making it an absolute treasure trove for those in the know. Believe it or not, individuals are currently amassing fortunes by channeling Pinterest traffic to their affiliate websites, steering visitors towards a variety of products. But what if you don't have a website? No problem at all. In this video, we're bypassing the website aspect. Instead, we're directing traffic straight to our affiliate link, enabling direct purchases of the products we're endorsing. Let's kick off this thrilling journey. Your initial task is to pinpoint a product to promote. Numerous affiliate marketing platforms such as ClickBank, Impact, Warrior Plus, and Digistore24 are at your fingertips. It's all about finding the one that aligns perfectly with your style. For demonstration purposes today, we'll be using ClickBank. Simply type ClickBank into Google, click on the first link, and set up your free account. Once your account is set up, delve into the affiliate marketplace. Your goal here is to locate a product that resonates with you. Here's a pro tip. Always sort your search by gravity. This way, you'll identify which products are gaining traction on the platform. Let's delve deep and find an affiliate offer that suits you, ideally one with an attractive price range. For instance, let's say we're in the mood to promote a recipe cookbook. Open the product's affiliate page to examine the landing page, the exact spot where you'll direct your Pinterest traffic. Does it feel right? Great. Go for it. If not, there's no need to panic. Simply scout for another product. It's crucial that your product page doesn't give off any scammy vibes, because trust us, if you're getting those vibes, your visitors likely will too. And don't forget about the affiliate rules. Always promote the product in a way that aligns with the company's guidelines. Once you've pinpointed a product that you're thrilled about, click on the Promote button and then hit Create Hop Link. Voila! Now you have the link. Go ahead and copy it and stash it in a notepad for easy access later. This is your golden ticket to potential profits. Armed with your affiliate link, your next mission is to steer potential customers to purchase the product via your link. However, here's a little hurdle. Platforms like Pinterest aren't too keen on direct affiliate links. But no worries, we've got the perfect solution, a bridge in the form of a landing page, and DirectMe makes this process a breeze. Setting up an account on DirectMe is a walk in the park. But remember, once you've chosen a username, it's set in stone. So pick something that resonates with you and aligns with your Pinterest niche. Ready to spruce up your page? Go on and customize it to your liking. Add a captivating display picture, choose a fetching background, and fill in all the essential info. Take your time and have fun with it until it feels just right. Most importantly, don't forget to add your affiliate links. Just click on Add New Item, followed by Link or URL. Paste your affiliate link right there. You can click the link to check out the product page and confirm it's the same one you opted to promote. Revise your DirectMe page and make sure it looks top-notch and contains all the necessary information your visitors need to see. Once done, grab the link to your DirectMe page. That's the one you'll be adding to your Pinterest bio. Once your landing page on DirectMe is all set, it's time to brew up the enticing content you'll be sharing on Pinterest. To make this effortless, we'll harness the power of two handy tools, ChatGPT and Canva. We'll use ChatGPT to create the captivating content needed for our Pinterest page. You can sit back and relax while it does the heavy lifting. To kick things off, head over to ChatGPT. If you're new, don't worry, setting up an account is a breeze and free. Once logged in, it's time to unleash the power of the chatbot. Ask it to generate content on a specific topic within your niche that aligns perfectly with your promoted product. For example, if your niche is centered around the keto diet, you could ask ChatGPT for an innovative keto breakfast idea. Maybe something plant-based or gluten-free. The more enticing, the better. And before you know it, your fresh content idea is ready. If you feel the ideas need more depth, simply ask ChatGPT to elaborate or break them down into steps for easy understanding. With your content ready, it's time to create your Pinterest pin. But how do you do that, you ask? It's simple with Canva. Head over to canva.com and search for a Pinterest pin template. Choose one that catches your eye, and you'll be directed to the editing page. Click on Create a Blank Pinterest Pin. The cherry on top with Canva is its vast library of stunning, free images. Choose a captivating image for your pin background, and you're all set. With your image background set, it's time to layer on some text. Simply grab the content you generated with ChatGPT and head back to Canva. Click on Text, select Add a heading, and paste in your text. Feel free to tweak font aspects like size, color, and style to make it pop. Next, click Add a page and carry over the background image from the first page to the second, but this time, add a little mystique with a blurred effect. Repeat this until you have multiple pages, then sprinkle the rest of your ChatGPT content across them. On the final page, add a compelling call to action guiding your viewers towards your affiliate link. Keep it succinct and eye-catching to attract maximum attention. Once you're satisfied, hit share and download your visuals as PNGs. Armed with your captivating images, you're ready to conquer Pinterest and drive traffic to your affiliate product. Just set up a Pinterest account. Ideally, dedicate a separate one to your affiliate marketing pursuits. Make it official by transforming it into a business account. Locate the arrow icon and click it, and you'll see an option to upgrade your account. Fill in the required information, and you're upgraded. During the setup, you'll be asked to craft your profile. Give your Pinterest page a memorable name and include the URL of your Direct Me page where your affiliate links reside. Add some flair to your profile with a representative profile photo and an eye-catching banner image. And lastly, don't forget to pin a description that clearly outlines what your page is all about. Now comes the fun part. Let's begin posting content and directing that traffic right towards your affiliate links. Hit the Create button and choose Create Pin. This is where you'll upload the mesmerizing Canva images you've prepared. Organize the images in a way that tells a captivating story by selecting Reorder Images. Once satisfied with your sequence, hit Done. Next, it's time to add your destination link. This will guide visitors to your Direct Me page, where they'll encounter your enticing affiliate products. Simply copy the link from your notepad and paste it into the relevant section. Create an arresting title for your pin that not only captivates attention but also truly reflects the content. Don't forget to sprinkle in some relevant keywords to help curious searchers find your pin. In the description field, provide a concise explanation of your pin, offering valuable insights to the users. Feel free to include a subtle call to action, nudging them to click the link in the pin for more info. And for that extra visibility boost, add in a few pertinent hashtags. Almost there. For an even broader reach, create thematic boards relevant to your niche. For example, if your page revolves around keto diets, why not create a board named Keto Breakfast Recipes and showcase your pin there? When someone stumbles upon this pin on Pinterest, they can click on it to view the engaging content. So, ensure your page is visually delightful and laden with added value. And that's a wrap for today's video. We genuinely hope you found it insightful and picked up something new. If you have any thoughts or queries, we'd love to hear them in the comments section below. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This way, you'll never miss out on our informative videos. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.